Hey guys, it's mini twist season. Welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another video showing you how I do my favorite protective style, which is mini twists. So I'm going to show you guys the whole process from washing, conditioning, and until I install the twists. So I just start with really dirty hair that was way overdue for a wash. I first detangle my hair, and I just do that with oil and water, and I have a video on how I detangle my 4C hair using only oil and water. I don't use any other detangling products other than that and my wide tooth comb. I just go through my hair slowly as usual, starting from the ends all the way up to the root, and then I twist the hair and put it away. And so I just do that all around my head until my hair is fully detangled and ready. I also incorporate finger detangling just to get the shed hair out of my hair before I go in with a comb, and that's just to ensure that I don't get excessive hair loss and shedding as I'm detangling. So I really recommend using finger detangling first before you go in with your comb. And then after that, I go in with my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo from Shea Moisture. This has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar, and it's a really clarifying shampoo, which I enjoy very much. I do wash my hair while it's still in twists, and then later on I undo it. After that, I go in with the conditioner from the same range, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore conditioner, and I just apply as much of that as I possibly can. I am always generous with the product, starting from the ends to the roots, and focusing especially on the ends because that's obviously the driest part of our hair. And then I go in with my wide tooth comb to detangle yet again, just to make sure that my hair is fully detangled, and when I rinse it out, it is ready to be blow dried and ready for styling. And then once that's all done and I have applied all the conditioner in my hair, I put a plastic cap on, and usually I'll put a towel over that just to get the that heat flowing through my hair and get my hair nice and conditioned. Sometimes I sleep with it overnight, but sometimes I just keep it in for a few hours. I then rinsed it out and blow dried my hair. I didn't make it bone straight or very straight. It's just to get it dry and a little bit stretched for the style. After that, I part my hair and I try to use a mirror, 2 mirrors actually, just to make sure that the parts are decent. They don't have to be perfect, but you do want to make sure that they are kind of straight, so that the style looks good, because I do want to keep the style in for a while, about 3 weeks. I use my As I Am double butter cream, which I love, and that is my styler of choice. And this is probably my favorite natural hair product for twisting so far. I love its consistency. I love the moisture that it leaves in my hair. And I really recommend, if you're looking for a good twisting butter for 4C hair, this is a really good option. And then I just begin twisting as usual. It's a normal 2-strand twist, but they are smaller than usual. I could have made them even smaller than this. I think I used probably medium-sized sections of hair, and you'll see later on how the sizing of your twists makes a difference to how full it is, especially if you have very thin hair. So my hair is very thick when in its natural state. When it's stretched out or when it's plaited, it looks very thin, and so the more twists I do, the fuller my hair looks. And so I actually did less twists here, and so my hair came out looking a little less full, but I'll explain it later towards the end of the video. But essentially I just part my hair in medium-sized sections, because I don't have hours and hours to do this. Usually I would spend the whole day twisting it into really mini twists, but I just didn't have that kind of time, and so I used medium-sized sections and spent probably about 3 or 4 hours doing the whole head. So I will let you guys watch me twist it up, and then I will be back to show you the final look. Okay, so I'm finally done after a couple of hours. It is a workout for your arms. And yeah, I was tired. But yeah, this is the hair completely done. As you can see, like I said, it's not as full as you would think it would be, considering how full my hair looks when it's not twisted up. But I do always prefer to wait a week or two, and then it gets really full, and it just looks nicer the older it gets. So if you're like me and you don't really like the first few days or weeks of your twists, then I think that's perfectly normal. My hair, the first few days, it's very like it's right against my scalp. It just makes my head look tiny, I think. But it gets fuller and it looks better as it wears. And usually I just renew the front or the back, but I keep it in for a few weeks. So here's it styled a little bit. I just put it up at the sides and added a bit of jewelry and accessories in the hair. But you can also wear it down if you'd like. My hair is actually longer than this, but again, when I twist it, it curls up at the ends, and it looks a lot shorter than it actually is when it's completely stretched out. But that's the nature of natural hair, and it does weird and wonderful things. So yeah, I actually kind of like the look of the shorter hair. It looks kind of like a bob depending on how I style it, so I don't mind. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and return for another one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.